Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about the mode. What is the mode? The mode is the way the Sunny Heat infrared heater controls the set point temperature. Most thermostats work with a hysteresis to control the room temperature. Let's assume that the hysteresis is half a degree Celsius. This means that the heating heats until the room temperature is half a degree Celsius above the set point temperature. Then the heating switches off, until the room temperature is half a degree Celsius below the set point temperature. Then the heating switches on again. Sunny Heat infrared heaters do not work with a hysteresis. Sunny Heat infrared heaters work with a PI control. This means that Sunny Heat automatically calculates the required control parameters in order to control exactly to the set point temperature and to maintain this set point temperature. In doing so, Sunny Heat approaches the set point temperature and calculates the new optimum control parameters again and again so that the set point temperature is not exceeded and not fallen short of. Where can I set the mode? The mode can be set in the menu under Control, Mode. There are two modes to choose from. Eco means that Sunny Heat approaches the set temperature gently. Normal means that Sunny Heat approaches the set temperature more aggressively. Tapping on the desired mode activates it. The selected value is marked with a tick. Tip. We recommend the Eco setting. The Eco mode corresponds to the factory settings. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. In this tutorial, the mode was set. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.